Hi, let us see how to do one beautiful tattoo painting. So usually there is many art is there in tattoo, but today we are just taking one beautiful and very trendy design of Thangka art. So first sutra lion and two horizontal lines. Here let us mark the first circle, and here it is the second circle. In this circle we are going to draw the eye part. So in this area we are going to draw eye part, and this is pretty big nose in the tattoo. Sometimes the tattoo designs are very horrible. So this is the first segment of drawing which we making our tattoo, and here lot of detailings are there. All those detailings we will do later. So let us start from the detailing of the main focal area here. Tattoos are attractive because of its extreme expression. Here this area, let us take for the eye socket. If you know where is eye, we have to mark the area as like our reference expressions. This is the area I am going to draw big round eye. This is very big and round eye. As if the expression is something fearful. And for Thangka, its eyebrows are like fire. So we already know how we can draw fire. In our videos of RTC mural Mantra Gurukulam, so you will able to find many lessons for its first basic understanding of art. So this is eyebrow. Here let us make its big cheek part, and as it is one big concept, it is not much easy, but by practice and by looking the drawing style you may able to do. So the first two big sharpened tooth, its mouth is something like this. Here we can see its sharp teeth as well. So in this part we already drew the cheek area. So as it is a tattoo, we have to add many small intricate detailing later. Okay, and then in this gap, eyebrow and nose, let us draw big ear like this. Do same here. Let us mark a big ring. Next, it has a big eye even on forehead, big eye, and we have to make some simple curvature are like fire and all in the tattoo. And so this is one tattoo design. Let us see how to clean up this. So this is the simple tattoo design, not so complicated. Just do clean up from here. Okay, this is something like, fire. While giving its beautiful attractive painting, we will get the effect of fire. Here it is, effect of smoke. So the youth will love this art on their palm, shoulder, etc. For making beautiful tattoo, there is many people, expert people are there. They are usually taking printout and tracing it. But if someone who can draw directly, they will be expert in that art. So try to practice. The eyebrow also like flame. Don't need to give too much congested design. Let us make it simple as possible. While cleaning up, we will able to see the actual shape and expression of our drawing. This is one trendy, fearful tattoo design for our youth category of followers. Someone who are interested to learn tattoo art, it will be helpful. So this is the simple tattoo art. Everyone can try easily. If they are having certain colors, they can color it as well. So let us find out some colors for shading this. I am using the same drawing without to take its cleanup version. If you taking the drawing with its cleanup segment, it will be more prettier, more nice. I am using Prisma color pencil giving more darker tone. And let us take one orange. And yellow. Top end of line. The same thing we can do with its eyebrow. And let us take another color, red color. Let us shade in the bottom part of flame with red color. So this is colored tattoo, not like black and white. Here let us add that red color around the eyeball, so it will look more horror kind of texture will be there, like this. And let us give same red color in the inside the mouth. Some light tone like a rose or something like light tone we can use for its lip. Okay. In the same color red we can use for shading. Sorry, we forgot to shade the ear. So inside here, let us give another color tone. So the tattoo art is very popular, very famous. If someone who wanted to try it, they can. After their attempt, they can post it to my WhatsApp number. That will be happy for me, because I will enjoy the free section if someone following and sharing, even subscribing this segment. So I will do more and more art segments for understanding and learning. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Your encouragement is essential for making more beautiful sketches. Let us shade wherever the area which we needed to show the darker portion. Like this. So this is simple method to understand the tattoo art. So if someone who wanted to try, they can try it and send it to me. Thank you so much.